Hi, today I'm ready with Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So open first the control panel and find here sound icon. Click twice on this icon and now it's switched to the mute one. So this means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna turn it off, just by the same way click the mute icon and it's switched to the sound one. Here we'll see also one more way how we could do that. Just press first up or down volume button. You'll see here this bell icon. Click twice on the bell icon too. Now this bell switch to the first one and all of our calls and notifications they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna just turn it off, click on this first bell, it switches to the normal one, so now our calls and notifications they will ring. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.